Hi, my dear students. Hope all of you are well. Last night we had a saddening aircraft accident in Karipur, and many people died. Let us pay a rich tribute to them. Now, all of us are enduring our lockdown days, and our first year results have come. Many of you were not able to score good marks in English as you scored in other subjects. Don't worry, you have an opportunity coming in the near future, that is improvement, and it is the time to aim for your improvement exam. It will be conducted immediately after your schools are reopened. For this, you have to use your lockdown days meaningfully. Start your preparation now itself systematically. If you use these days wisely, I assure you that you will be scoring good marks in the upcoming improvement exam. Going by my previous year's experience, I can assure you that you will be getting good marks if you prepare yourselves well. If you are sincere in your preparation, you will surely get your expected marks. Don't worry. How will you prepare for the improvement exam? You have your first year's textbooks with you. Read the text, read the notes, and you should also get the previous year's question papers that is available in the website. I will be sharing it with you. There are many often repeated questions and question models which you have to get familiarized. If you are aiming for an A+ or full mark, it is good if you nurture the habit of reading newspapers in the coming days. By newspapers, I mean an English newspaper like the Hindu or Indian Express or Times of India or anything. While writing the exam, you have to use some textual words, that is words which come in your text. Use those words. That is, after studying one lesson, you should internalize 3 or 4 new words from that particular text and use it in your answers. That will give good impression to the examiners. Listening to an English news channel for at least 15 minutes every day will also be very helpful for your exam. Another thing is that before appearing for the exam, conduct one mock exam at your home. For that, you can seek the help of your parents or brothers or sisters. Just take one question paper and write the exam in the study room, and the timing should be just like your actual exam, and there should not be any interval. In such a manner, you have to write one mock exam. So these things will be helpful for scoring high marks in your improvement exam. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.